Here is a beginner-level Scrum Master quiz that covers promoting agile values and principles, facilitating Scrum events, and servant leadership. Let's go. Question 1. Which of the following is one of the agile values from the Agile Manifesto? A. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. B. Comprehensive documentation over working software. C. Contract negotiation over customer collaboration. And D. Following a plan over responding to change. Answer: individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Question 2. What is the main purpose of the daily Scrum? A. Update the Scrum Master about the project. B. Synchronize the team and plan work for the next 24 hours. C. Identify and remove team members not performing. And D. Review completed work with stakeholders. Answer: synchronize the team and plan work for the next 24 hours. Question 3. Servant leadership in Scrum means A. Directing the team on how to do their work. B. Making decisions on behalf of the team. C. Serving the team by enabling them to work efficiently and independently. And D. Reporting team performance to management. Answer: serving the team by enabling them to work efficiently and independently. Question 4. What is the key outcome of a sprint review? A. Assigning work for the next sprint. B. Reviewing the team's morale. C. Analyzing individual performance. And D. Demonstrating the product increment to stakeholders. Answer: demonstrating the product increment to stakeholders. Question 5. Which agile principle encourages continuous delivery? A. Deliver software only at the end of the project. B. Deliver working software frequently. C. Deliver only tested modules. And D. Deliver work based on developer availability. Answer: deliver working software frequently. Question 6. The Scrum Master facilitates Scrum events to A. Track developer productivity. B. Maintain process compliance. C. Ensure outcomes and encourage team self-organization. And D. Approve leave and admin tasks. Answer: ensure outcomes and encourage team self-organization. Question 7. Which behavior shows servant leadership? A. Removing blockers and protecting the team from distractions. B. Controlling which backlog items are selected. C. Setting rules for how the team must code. And D. Monitoring attendance and status updates. Answer: removing blockers and protecting the team from distractions. Question 8. What is the purpose of a sprint retrospective? A. Demonstrate completed work to customers. B. Review the budget and deadlines. C. Assign new roles to the team. And D. Reflect and improve team processes. Answer: reflect and improve team processes. Question 9. What is the Scrum Master's role during sprint planning? A. Select user stories to be worked on. B. Facilitate the meeting and help define the sprint goal. C. Estimate the story points. And D. Approve the sprint backlog. facilitate the meeting and help define the sprint goal. Question 10. Which of these principles reflects Agile mindset? A. Responding to change is more important than following a plan. B. Change is bad for project outcomes. C. Customer involvement should be avoided. And D. Avoid reflection until final delivery. Answer: responding to change is more important than following a plan. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following is not a Scrum event? A. Sprint review. B. Daily Scrum. C. Sprint retrospective. And D. Product demo. Answer: product demo. Question 12. A Scrum Master acting as a servant leader would A. Make all decisions for the team. B. Protect the team from unnecessary external interruptions. C. Enforce deadlines strictly. And D. Monitor team members' tasks. Answer: protect the team from unnecessary external interruptions. Question 13. Why is facilitating Scrum events important? A. It allows the Scrum Master to evaluate team performance. B. It keeps the team on schedule. C. It enables collaboration, alignment, and continuous improvement. And D. It reduces the team's responsibility. Answer: it enables collaboration, alignment, and continuous improvement. Question 14. The Agile principle that supports trust and autonomy is A. Build projects around motivated individuals. B. Only management should plan tasks. C. Trust external consultants for strategic planning. And D. Avoid team decision-making. Answer: build projects around motivated individuals. Question 15. In a sprint retrospective, the Scrum Master should A. Assign blame for failures. B. Facilitate open discussion for process improvement. C. Finalize the next sprint backlog. And D. Evaluate individual performances. Answer: facilitate open discussion for process improvement. Question 16. Which of the following is true about Agile values? A. Tools and processes are more important than people. B. Working software is less important than documentation. C. Customer collaboration is more valuable than contract negotiation. And D. Agile avoids change requests. Answer: customer collaboration is more valuable than contract negotiation. Question 17. The Scrum Master ensures daily scrums are A. Used to report to management. B. Long meetings to cover detailed planning. C. A platform for assigning tasks. And D. Time-boxed, focused, and self-managed by the team. Answer: time-boxed, focused, and self-managed by the team. Question 18. Which of the following is not a responsibility of the Scrum Master? A. Coaching the team on Agile principles. B. Managing the product backlog. C. Removing impediments. And D. Facilitating Scrum events. Answer: managing the product backlog. Question 19. Which value supports early and continuous delivery of valuable software? A. Working software is the primary measure of progress. B. Avoid delivery until the full plan is executed. C. Deliver once all documentation is complete. And D. Work silently to ensure perfection. Answer. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Question 20. A Scrum Master fosters servant leadership by A. Enforcing strict rules to increase productivity. B. Supporting team members to reach their full potential. C. Delegating team management to the product owner. And D. Micromanaging individual tasks. Answer. Supporting team members to reach their full potential. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.